Dumela wena mogedi moretsi wa Tlotletsa Radio ke yona ya rona ya tsatsila la tshipi re itseng gore e monate ebile e iketlile a kere ke tshepa le go dumela gore mo le moteng o tja monate ka ga ebile o ikgethetse gore Tlotletsa Radio ke yona e tla o tsamaisang letsatsila la tshipi o nkitse ke le moeting folo mme mo tsatsing la gompieno ke senosi ke tsamaya le sephalala mosetsana wa go rata Malaysia mosetsana ile gore ga katoga le bontlene
Hello family. Hello. Le kae fela?
nna ke teng a ke o dumedise ba bogedi ba retse ba Tlotletsa Radio.
Hello family. It's a privilege go ba le lona today. I've been a fan of the radio ever since. So, you know me, I've always wanted to join in. This show into another level. Man, rikinye, boom!
Mosetsana a re e shapa ba ba. Go tla mo ke a tseba gore le tlo mo itumela. Re tlo tsamaya le motse la gompieno. Empa kanya rona e re tlo tsamang ka yona. Ke yona e dirang re tlile ntse re bua ka yona mogara beke le beke fitileng ya gore re bua le wena se ipikelang le gore le thabo le kutlwano di tla jaaka pula ya mariga mo kgolaganong ya go ya lerato re file.
It is something in most cases. We lose at some point. We think a relationship at some point it's limited boxing, you know. And things in that manner, then it doesn't progress. So we lose the love. The love is the long walks, you know, the long talks, the spark of looking each other in the eye and not saying anything, you know, just the moment of just breathing amongst lonely two, sharing the quiet moments. We miss that. Spark, man.
What used to spark on that spark my relationship in your house? We're gonna be able to at the end of the show, we're gonna be bring back
the spark. Definitely. I mean, I'm telling impossible, you know. If you want relationship to go back to where it used to be, it starts by the little things. It doesn't mean moving all the time or the long walk. Sometimes it's just being really two without the kids, without your friends, without your family, and libele is set up on how you want your relationship to become. If linya relationship you know, with that vavavum, with that salting,
yes,
you have to take an effort.
yes.
Understand? It starts by the way you dress in that moment, you know, complimenting each other and say, it starts there actually. It starts there to actually go back to a place common, have a common ground again. Because now remember, here to my relationship probably here to my relationship probably we're still in school.
Yes.
Here to my relationship probably maybe it was a distance relationship. So now we live together, we get used to each other. My man is sloppy or my girl is sloppy. So you tend now to be comfortable too much. You lose actually the focus why le ratana in the first place.
Yes.
Probably no rata the fact that what we inspire.
Yeah.
Or okona who push towards you becoming a better person. Or something that you didn't know about yourself. Maybe you didn't know that you can become a superstar, but she showed you, you know what, my man, this thing, man. You know, so we need to go back to actually why you got settled together.
You know what, we need to compliment each other.
Oh my. Oh my, thank you very much.
I lose the spark of the show. Retsamaya ka lemorago la Tony Braxton anale Babyface ba bua ka yana kgang ile gore re bua ka yana go sela gompieno a ke butle ke ba bare let's take it back. ke rata ke go rata ke go botse re file gore e kile wa o iphitlhela o le mo kgolaganong e leng goreng the spark se borokonyana e le goreng go na le tse e leng goreng e kile la bo le simola le di dira mo kgolaganong ya lona mme o fitlhela go lora ga se go fitlha nako e le goreng ga le sa le dira mme e se taba ya gore ga le sa ratana. It happens gore dilo tseo di
one of the things irang hore maybe re drift apart from Nalwena is because now life arona revolve around taking the kids to school, mereko, parties, family functions, and then that's where the romance ila go fokola nyana, you know, because now we sabana skolong wa bua also me and you. It's always about other people. It's always about taking the kids to school. To our parents, we are going to church, this project, that to do, you understand? And that's the reason why we lose that intimacy amongst each other. And intimacy is not but intimacy is about the connection between Nalwena, you understand? The spark, even if there's something that you're going through, I would sense it and I would feel it. You're not going through something ordinary, you know. That's the connection that we would have amongst Ronarili too. But the moment they drive the choice we eventually lose it.
Then on potso ke batla go botsa re file gore ga re iphitlhela re le mo maemong a tshwana ka a le gore go fetsa go bua. The question is, how do we take it back? Ke ngwe le gore by the end of the show motse la gompieno re tla be le gore re buile ka yona to make sure that the spark is back on, ha? Ga re bue Tony Braxton pine o itse ke Dumela Tamia Lena be festar I know I think re filo kang ke gore ga o iphitlhela o le mo maemong a leng gore spark ga se le teng, both of you must be able to believe gore you guys can take it back.
Of course, most definitely. It starts kawena, you know, as I said, when we used to date, to look good.
Yes. Like
now we're living together, and then it's like, okay, now so I don't need to take an effort anymore. That's where we start to break it down, because the way you used to not getting the compliments, you understand? And when you dress up, you only get compliments outside, but you feel like kamohare, you don't get that compliment. Why? Because now comfortability. You became too comfortable to each other. The smaller things. You know, a relationship is start the small things and it end up the bigger things.
Oh, okay. But then you tell me if you in the bigger things, you know,
levels. Levels. Yeah. This thing is about levels. Levels, huh? It's about levels.
But whatever level that you might find yourself going through, Barry, love me like you always have loved me. Hey, good morning. Pinere Philip le rena re bua ka yona pele re tsena mo moyeng re bua ka mogare. Hey, this song is too deep.
It is very deep. It is something that is so deep, and it is getting it, you know. We lose ourselves, and if darling, we are losing this, it will always remain the same way. At some point, we need to tell each other, Stan Wasam, Yazi, you used to compliment me and say you look nice, you know. Going back to that level, it's starting there. Communication.
Puisano, wena mogedi le moretsi wa Shetsetsa Radio. Ra go tla ka mmino go senyana. Ntse re tsamaya le yona fela ya tsela Sontaga.
too much.
Ke Taya Taka are love me like you used to. But potso e le goreng gore ke batla go e botsa re file bile re tsamantse re latlhela baretsi ba tlhotlhetsa ka mokgwa le gore ba re tshwere ka melaetsa khutse mo our WhatsApp line akere ke batla go botsa potso ya gore ebe re iphitlhele go re fitla mo go yana ke re file wa ba e le gore re latlhile ga re tla kae
Communication
ne
Communication ke yona the first root of a relationship failing. If you lesa khona boledisana gore you know what sithando sami wabona go mona thelo thoma le jona ne le bitsana sithando sami sweetie wami stand understand
Yes.
and then now we living together when are filwe
yes umbutsa hey wena sikwabitsa muthe hey wena busino wa yo are thandiwe kwenze njani o khona go dansa re file motho mo itse kare
no but I wish I could.
no mara ke ra fela lo ena mo di batso tletse o ka se rata go mona ya 10 round ga nyane ere ke le ka go mo imisa re bone ka go mo leka a 10 round my sweetheart I want to see your figure ne claro figure
Oh my gosh.
yes no hasle ke mo yeah no aruke molaetsa rona wa pele go tsala nga okay molaetsa rona wa pele re tshware go sina ba ganyane fela re leke bozino ba okay molaetsa rona wa pele o tswa go Douglas Takitemen ne ke ete Douglas ke tle a re mopile
This is Douglas the man. Oh, yeah. You know, I would like to say this to my Spanish brother, my enchanted brother. You know, and we love each other, we live for each other, we love each other. I wish that will never change. And I pray that God will make it just where we belong. For God, in my hand I found my peace upon my being. I love you so much, my sweetness, my forever, my butter, my sweetness, I love you so much. Enjoy the day.
Okay.
ke a utlwa ebile o di tsegonyana mo re file
And that's the thing, you know. We women rata to be complimented more than ever, you know. We fall in love easily and we like to be complimented. So every time you know, the love becomes deeper. You know? It becomes deeper.
yeah
It becomes deeper.
ya ke a dumela ra go tsa ya rona voice note ya bobedi e tswa mo go molwela justa a re bua
Yeah, listen, I mean, we are good to talking now, but not like we used to, like those long conversations we used to have together, whenever moment, 11, 12, to spend on the Maya's fun. No, however, on my eat, all I do. So, there was a lot of messages we have, and it's tough, like, that was a relationship with one since we're at this stage, we feel close, you are talk, and I'm kind of all along. We discuss a thing and polish up. We couldn't pass through the system of the software they want to. So, since we're at a distance, conversations are very fell fast. I used to remember when they did those video calls, for share this.
refela ke go molwela ba bua a re he miss the long conversations that they used to have
And the problem is that I go to her, darling, I miss the long conversations I had with you. You know, we used to speak 4 hours, 5 hours. The thing is, you will never know about it. So take the first step. Sweetheart, you know what? This level. You
Yes,
understand?
yes.
Let's go back to that.
But then ya muka mono o bua ka mowa o boima man wa mo tlo itse when a guy say I miss that wa mo tlo gore man go ha boima potso re botsa gore kwenze njani man go bo go etsa itseng Robbie Malinga ha tsamale na ya makhe ba re se kwenze njani Mustano na le voice e bile gana ka yona
No.
We'll let it pass. We'll let it pass for the Lakajiko. Abua ka gore motho wa fetoga re file bare lerato la rona wa itse
Le change, man.
ga le sa tshwana le maloba jaaka nno kwa yelela go ya letamong kapa lewatleng re ne re utlwana re dumelana ga ore baby ra gore ka curtains tse blue ke re yes my dear my darling
Yeah, boy.
ga ore baby ka tse gore just stampo ga gona se shaba re tla se shaba ka tametse so ke re yes my darling emba lerato le fetogile re file
I believe hore a le fetohe, but it's a choice
okay
for it to change. Hey, it's a choice. Ke ra hore we grow in a relationship. I start my new work. You start your new work.
yes
I probably travel now. There's a lot of things say that relationship ya rona e sa ba the way it used to be. But for it to stay in that manner, it's a choice. If sweetheart, I can you going back and forth in your work. How about it's a suggestion? How about how traveler to wherever you're going to, so that we can reconnect to each other. Then now we are building again what is broken. Understand? How about Dali, how low shooter, or you're starting your new businesses? I've never been there. How about help you out, ulo cleaner side there? How? Understand? To what? To reconnect why we fell in love. So the problem is that but we're not together, but when people grow in a relationship, aba support the goals it's abon. When someone is starting a new job, how you understand or okay, you shift from being a painter to now deciding to be a graphic designer. Understand? What was the impact? Why change your course? Why change your routine? You want to get to know your partner better in what sharing the moment, being in that moment, If abarako fitla one, chill with your person. Understand what is it that he's doing. Darling, okay, but I can understand her connection towards that. Then you get to know each other better.
And how about a jollo? Scam fell up here. I can make him man. Hariba, kids on the local in dear Samuel on Horin. He picked a look at for cards on a yankee. Ke batla re file o tlatsa ganyane mo bankane ka ga ithuka na ema ke bua gore solo go hamba na
bangane bakho
bangane ba tsena ya
bangani friends. You know, there are two things that friends do to your life. It's either they push you or they break you. People about pushing, they know when they're not supposed to spend time when. Understand?
yes
People be loreng ba break a relationship ya hao ke batho be loreng ba nyaka gore o be wa bona o sa ba wa motho wa hao. Those are people be loreng lo break a relationship. But the moment o la le dichomi tse loreng la supportana, you know the funniest thing about but dichomi o klore your friends are really five, ne? Everyone has a partner, but azanke lana le a moment whereby as the chomi later for dinner or whatever. Baphela ba imponya ka bali noshi.
Yeah.
So I think that's the other thing in our relationship be complicated because now someone would feel like your friends are moving you away from me.
No. Kana dia utlwagala. Motho a kile a bua re taba tsona ke tsa babedi. Wa boraro yena ke mphiane a kere. Ya no re file re le mo di lockdownong yana ke tshepa gore ga gona motho a ka reng o distracta ke mmereko ga gona
Nope.
motho a ka reng ne. Ke nagana gore ke nako e leng gore ke matshwanedi ne. Empa pele re tsana on wrapping it up, right? Ke eng se leng gore gantsi se dira batho ba bomme gore o phitlhelele gore pele re kopana man ona o iphotshanka ona o itse keng o itseela matsapa
Yeah.
empa o iphitlhelele gore you end up being comfortable ke eng se leng gore se pusha
Lefoko low fela, comfortable. What are you comfortable with?
ke a gotla
You understand?
Yes.
The moment Lore maybe, as you said, no rata, you no ya gymming,
Yes.
no di makeup.
kana ke ge ne re kopana ke
Yes, kina ko nna le wena re kopana.
Yes.
Ne ke dirang. I was into maybe trying to fix myself as an individual. Now that I'm comfortable, I feel like I don't need to impress. But impression is not about your partner. Impression is about when as an individual or feel about yourself. So when I'm looking good all the time, it's how I'm expressing myself and how I'm feeling. So for you not to take care of yourself, it's just saying that you are not feeling okay inside of you. That's how I look at it and it's how I view it. Because when you love yourself, you will express it by what? By dressing up.
oh yeah e bile bua yana gona le kgang engwe bare when you look good you feel good
And when you feel good,
you do good
Exactly.
Yeah. Ke batla re tse voice note engwe ya rona ya bofelo before we gonna wrap it up e tswa mo go Hemen a re ke Hemi ena a re nkio monno ke la tibiso ka lephanga but then ga re motuletse o bua yana kgang e leng gore o inepile kgang e a re ena le mokapela ge bana ba rata go tsaya di-walk
Yes.
ba ya mafelong a boitapoloso ba ya diphakeng ga ba sa di dira ba dio tseo ref yaanong batho ba tshwana le bohemen ke bona batho le goreng ke batla re buisane le bona e leng kgang ya gore we bring back the spark
we
right?
bringing back the vavavoom.
We bring back the vavavoom re batla gore kgalano ya bona e tshwane le ka malatsi a kile ba ile gore e ne le ka teng gana ba kopana.
Yeah.
It should still be
It should still be
the way it was.
the way it was.
Ref, how do we bona? How do we take it back?
How do we take it back? It's starting, as you said, picnic. You can do it, Kamunklum.
Oh yeah.
We switch off the lights.
Just when I was about to say picnic, yeah, I'm lockdown.
Hey, inside the house.
Yes.
We do set up ya rona, re bea di couches tsa rona mola. O bona ka mo den room ya hao.
Yeah.
O bea di sofa tsa hao o di setsa kwa ko morao kwa. O faka ama candle. You light on your candles. You switch off the lights. Babe, you actually cook together.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You understand? Why do we cook together? We are now starting to build up a relationship ya rona hape. Unchopela di onioni, maybe when you're good in frying, ra fryer, o mongwe ra this, o mongwe ra that, re dira combination ya rona really two, and we set up our own dinner. When the kids are asleep, we have a quality time.
Yeah, man. Go na le pinyeng ya mapiano ke a e rata ba re Mabalele siyafuka. Mabafuka siyalala. Ke yona ga ke re fa e bua gore when the kids are asleep rona re a tsoga.
We do things, you know.
I like it to call it the big dance.
Yeah, and we can even start, I don't know, maybe we are feeling insecure about the way re lebehang ka teng.
Yeah.
A re joke ba botlhe ge.
Okay.
Wake up in the morning, really to jog together. What we are now building, what teamwork. Amount rona really to.
Yeah.
One tsosa ke a o tsosa. Unthusa ka di push up tsa ka go thusha ka maybe you not falling king o sa sala morao when we are doing the runs,
Oh,
you know.
I heard
So now it's what teamwork, we are building what a structure ya. Now we are doing the puzzles again. Re tsere di puzzles tsa rona re di beile mo fatshe re di thoma hape.
Oh, I don't want to shake ya go tusha. Ke le gitare, I don't want to shake ya go tsosa. Ba monate. Moreetsi wa Tlhotlhetsa Radio ke yona ya tsatsi la Sontaga re tswala ka tseleng jang mme ke a dumela le go tshepa gore o itsetse ka tsebe yo a nang le tsebe go utlwa o utlwile ga gona sello sa gore ke lockdown nna ga gona gore nka tsoseletsa le go tiiseletsa lerato laka se ke se utlwileng re file o se bua ebile o se itela ga mola ke gore communication and teamwork. Yeah, man. Molaetsa wa fela o ka ratang go fa babogedi le baretsi ba Tlhotlhetsa Radio.
Love is an expression, and the more you express it, it's the more it becomes close to your heart. So the more go complimenta, the more I become close to you. The more I take an effort in knowing you better, the more I become close to you. Love yourself first, so that it can be easy for someone else to love you. That's what I'm leaving you with.
But in love, there's no social distancing.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no. But ga mo ntle fela ka ditebego wa mo tla le mogano go mo ntle mo setsana ne. Ke a go leboga wena mmagedi wa Tlhotlhetsa Radio. Ke a tshepa gore tiisetso e tla ba teng mo kgolanagong ya go ya lerato. Ya tsela ga go buene ya tsela Sontaga re tswala ka tseleng tseng jana ke re I've got nothing to give you but extra large love, baby. Ke a go rata mme ke a dumela gore le bona ba go rata ka tsole ke re ba rata sa nne.
Whistle, I said. Question everybody else. Is out making last until the must still, we still.
Still got love in his eyes, and I still got love in my soul. Still feels like the first time we met. Then I kissed and I told you I love.